Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Xfinity account phone number. Open the website xfinity.com, then click on Sign In. First, enter your email, mobile, or username. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the page. Click on the profile icon. On the side menu, you will see an option for Account and Identity. Click on Account and Identity. Here, you will see a section for phone number. Under phone number is an option that says Change Account Phone Number. Click on Change Account Phone Number. On the field provided, enter the new phone number you wish to use. After entering, click on Continue. Then you will receive a verification code which you'll enter on the next step. Once done, your phone number will be successfully changed. That's how you change your Xfinity account phone number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.